Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Stash Smash Saturday, where this is an amazing series I feel like that Rebecca and I kind of came up with while we were just chatting one day, using up collections and kits. So I had been playing with this Farm to Table by Carta Bella last week, and I just have so many embellishments left, and I have this one big chunk of paper that I wanted to use it again. According to our rules that we've created, this is not, I didn't need to keep playing with this, but this sticker sheet is so full. I just wanted to see what else I could get used up. And I'm okay if I still have some left of the sticker sheet because I can just toss that in with all my other sticker sheets. But I have a bunch of ephemera as well. This was a scrap room kit, so it came with a nice sampling. I have this adorable photo of my niece wearing the apron that I made her for Christmas. So I thought the homemade farm to table, that kind of theme would work really well to use a bunch of the embellishments. So I have this one pattern paper left with a bunch of the ovens on it. And I grabbed, this is a Studio Calico from their Color Theory. It was their Color Theory paper pad. This one's, I think, orange. Maybe it's red. Maybe it's pink. I don't know. I can't tell. Let's see what the other one is. Maybe that color will work better. I just wanted to use, oh, see, this one's orange. Okay, I wanted to use the orange one to bring out some of the orange in the stripe here. But I wanted to just do a big old cluster of embellishments, which will work great with what I have left. So I'm just going to do like a big old cluster of embellishments behind my photo, and then incorporate the other Stash Smash items that I'm supposed to incorporate using dies or punches, rub-ons, lace or ribbon, sparkly mixed media, cork or wood, balloons, and 6x6 or 6x8 paper pad. So I'm going to bring a 6x6 or 6x8 paper pad to map my photo. I'm going to punch the border of this with my scallop punch, and I'm going to use some shimmers, I think, to do some just packaging technique kind of behind this cluster that I'm going to be creating. And then I'll bring in some cork or wood. Maybe we'll bring in some rub-ons. Might even, oh, I do have some lace that I could incorporate as well on the edges, which would be super, super cute. So we'll get all that. So let me get some of this stuff started. Let me go get this photo matted, my punch out, pick out a Shimmers product because that'll be my sparkly mixed media, and I'll be back. All right, so I've matted my photo twice on some just kind of remnants of pattern papers I had for this one Canoe 2 6x8 pad from Saturday afternoon, because there was an orange and a yellow, so that worked really, really good. I was hoping this turquoise color was still in there, but it was not. I like it, so I used it apparently. So we did that. I've got some It's Mint to Be original shimmers because that's like the perfect color. I just put it on some packaging and squashed it all over the place, waiting for it to dry. I've got some lace I'm going to tuck up under my scalloped edge. I will glue that down with hot glue, so that'll be done the next time I come back. And I was just going through the little ephemera pieces. I cut apart a frame. I think, I don't want to lay my stuff down on here because that's very, very wet. But I think what I might do, I cut this frame apart. I think I'm going to glue it down very like far away from my photo in like this fashion to almost mimic like another frame. And then I think I'm going to cut this specially selected apart because it's the exact length of my photo, and just do, or maybe I'll just glue and just do one side instead of symmetrical, because I kind of like that look to do that. So yeah, maybe I'll just glue that down right now. Well, I'll just glue that down right now. Using a bunch of the ephemera pieces, though, is my goal for embellishing and layering behind this photo. So that is the plan. Yeah, I like that. And it's a little off center. But then we'll put just clusters of things. I just want to put tons of things peeking out of the stickers because it's just kitchen things. So we will do that because that will really home in the cooking theme-ish. So we've got that. So I will wait for that, get that shimmers dried up, add my lace. I'm going to pop my photo up on foam, which we can do right now. Do not let the sticky stuff go to waste that's behind your dots. Use it, right? Use it. So that's what I'm gonna use. We'll get the photo up on foam and we'll go ahead and get that put down after everything dries and just start scattering some embellishments. So I'll be back. All right, so I started going to town without the camera on. So I got my lace hot glued down. I found some cork. These were 1 canoe 2, I'm pretty sure. So I cut this one in half, kind of created a little cluster right here, cut up a bunch of my ephemera things and divided them up. And then just started plastering stickers everywhere. Just to kind of embellish and have like a cluster like falling out from behind my photo. And I really like the way these, the frame, I cut it and like separate it so it really like frames the area. I want to try and tuck a few things down in here yet is what I'm trying for, but it's proving hard. I will probably have to glue this stuff down more, but I'm just doing some flowers right now. Just to try to make this area fill in a little bit more. I think we'll do a nice little yum. Let's see, and a tasty. Some of these stickers are super small. Maybe do a delicious right in here. Oh, I didn't glue this thing down yet. I thought I glued this down. I did not. Well. Oh, and I could have that be the polka dot. Ah! Instead of plain. All right, well, that's how that's gonna go then, I guess. It's just gonna pull apart. That's the bad thing about cork, is it just kind of falls apart. Well, good. I'm glad you guys got to see this. Little chaos. There. I didn't realize I hadn't glued that down yet. A little bit of a hexagon there, a little bit of hexagon there. Get those glued. I think those are going to stick better because they're all stickers on stickers. That looks a little better. Yeah. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I just wanted to kind of cover up all my areas where the frame was separated so it looks like it's a bigger frame around it. The other thing I could do yet is, I'm pretty sure these stickers are not stuck down very well, is tuck one of these pots. Oh, this one really stuck. One of these vases or pots. Should we do this orange one, maybe? Ugh. I didn't want to come off the sticker sheet. I don't know. Let's tuck one of these in this corner. There we go. And then we'll add that one back there. We'll add the fork back down. Perfect. Looking good. So there, I just kind of clustered a bunch of stickers, a bunch of the ephemera around my photo. And I enjoy that. I really like my little cluster down here. I might add a few, let's see, let's like add a little yum. And maybe a few of these stickers. These little flowers. All right, and that'll do it, you guys. So I just didn't use my rub-ons or my balloons, but I used everything else, which is pretty good. That's the goal. 5 out of the 7. So there we have it. I have officially killed this one. I won't use it again next week, I promise, since I have no pattern paper left and very few embellishments now. Very few ephemera pieces. These can be used for many different things. So only 4 ephemera pieces, and then still the sticker sheet. But like I said, that can go into my sticker 12 by 12 sticker sheet to use up section. And there you have it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Rebecca's video for her Stash Smash Saturday, and we'll see you next time. Bye.